Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use the Bollinger Bands to trade with. So, right now I have it set up on the 5-minute chart, and I usually trade quality stocks. So, this is ticker IQ, and it's going for 31, 33. You got a little bit of spread. So this works best for me when I'm day trading on the 5-minute chart. For penny stocks, it works great for me when I put it on the 1-day, 1-year chart. So what a lot of people do is they like to watch it bounce off of these lines, and they'll sell out the next line. And that's a great strategy. That works perfect actually for a lot of people. But I like to trade the stock when it's in a uptrend. And what I do is when it breaks past this upper band, that actually signals, well, it doesn't actually signal, but a lot of times it actually indicates that this will soon start uptrending. It shows that there's the interest in this stock for it to uptrend. Now, before I go any further, because it's after 1 a.m. I mean not 1 a.m. Midnight for me, I'm using the on-demand feature on Thinkorswim. So right here, let's see, when it starts to break past that, this is normally when I buy. So it just broke past it, I would make a buy. Now, will it pull back through? I mean, start dipping again? Yeah, a lot of times it does, but then there's been a lot of times that I've traded and it hasn't. So it goes to say that you don't know what the stock is going to do, and anybody that says that they know that what the stock is going to do is a liar. And the ones that would say, oh well, I would wait for it to take a huge dip and then I would buy. Well, the thing is, you don't know where that bottom is. And the people that say that they hit these bottoms and then sell at the tops, they're liars. They might get lucky from time to time. Heck, I get lucky from time to time on that. But to sit there and say that you know where the bottom is and you're going to buy the bottom and you know where the top is and that's where you'll sell it, you're lying. So this is what works for me. And before you use real money, paper trade it first to see how it works for you. So actually with that, it actually worked out good for me. Well, so far at least. Now, what I'm going to do is, because this is a 5-minute chart, I'm going to cut out a section of this video so you don't have to sit for the next, 10, 20, maybe 30 minutes, who knows. But I'm going to sit here and watch this and I'll see what happens. Alright guys, I'm back. So, as you can see right here, it's starting to take this massive run, and honestly, I'm just going to sell it. Because that is how I would normally trade. Now, like I said, that could be the top. I don't know. But you can only make these decisions based off of what you have in the moment. And when a lot of people actually go back and try to critique, it's easy to look back on a chart because hindsight is always 20/20. And people are quick to say, what they would have done and this and that. Well, there's a difference between, what you would have done when you already see the whole picture already on the chart for you. So because I was working in that moment, I made that decision to sell, and it's kind of just dancing around doing whatever. And I would honestly expect it to pull back below this green band and start downtrending again. Basically, to come back down here to this blue line, or heck, it might break below that. So that's how I use Bollinger Bands. I only trade it on the uptrend. And when I do trade with Bollinger Bands, I trade quality stocks. So the more expensive stocks, because it gives me the price action that I want in my trade. And again, with penny stocks, this does not work on these smaller time frames. These, if you can use it with a penny stock, you use it on the 1 day, 1 year chart. So I hope you guys can use this paper trading to see how it works for you. And if it works great for you, hey, let me know in the comments. I would like to know how you are using this. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Please give these videos a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.